getting the race car loaded up. Gosh dang it, I miss driving that car. Just starting it up felt so freaking good. He worked really hard to get this car ready on Thursday, Friday, and now all day today. We had a puking kid last night, so I stayed home today, took one for the team, laid on the couch with her while he worked really hard. But it's been stored all winter. It's pretty dirty. I just got to pull it in. So much fun. He and I going testing tomorrow at US131 in Martin, Michigan. We are loaded up. It is 8:30 in the morning. We are kid-free. We only have the Snoop.
Cut it back off, and then because we'll go through that gate, but there's a line.
We'll go through the gate.
I'll stand where you go through, and then we'll shut it off because there's a line of cars.
Okay, and I'll just get at the back.
And then I'll do my thing. And
do you want me to pull off to the side or block the opening of the gate? Ow, probably shouldn't.
We'll just pull in and kind of stop. It'll be okay.
Okay.
I think we'll just drive all the way around and get in line.
Drive all the way around. Okay. Oh God, I can't breathe. Is he cute? Where'd he go? Are you going with me?
Doesn't feel right, it's testing, so just tell me. I will not be upset, okay? We're just gonna focus on feel. All right, you feel good? I love you.
I love you too.
Be safe.
Okay.
Have fun. Best job ever.
First test run out. Car did great, left great. I've been sleeping this winter because the reaction time was terrible, although I wasn't trying to cut a light. It felt like I was in second gear forever, so I just decided to shift. Short shifted the 2-3 shift, so that killed the 8th mile run a little bit. We're just making 8th mile passes, but overall, this thing was spanking, okay? It did great. It felt great. It did a little wheelie. The nose came up. Driving this thing is so smooth. It's crazy as long as you have a focal point. So I'll get back at it this time. It's getting pretty chilly. It's like 55. The sun went away and you can feel a difference when that sun leaves. Anyways, yeah, things are going rather swell. Round number 2 we just did. I'll show you who's hiding because he's absolutely hating his life today. He's just literally barely holding on. His eyes are closed. He's not falling asleep. He's just barely alive. It's very slight improvement on this one. We'll try for number 3. We may only get, I think we'll be lucky to get, it's 4 now. 2 more runs before they close up shop today.
I think we'll be okay in the end. I want to try a little bit more and see what happens. We'll go from there. But I'm happy. Very happy so far.
We just made our 3rd test pass. I ran a 784, he said. We're done. It was good. That last one, we only made 1 full pass, and this last one was good. Slowed down a little bit. Mile per hour was about the same as the last one. It was successful all in all, and a really great day, and I'm just so thankful for the opportunity to drive this car. It is such a blast. Now we load up the trailer so we can get home to the kids. So I'm gonna put y'all down for a second so I can get this trailer loaded up. These are
You
dogs.
got that fishing lure stuck in your mouth? That was fun. Your lips were sealed shut.
He actually looks happy to have a little rain and be walking.
Yeah.
Look at his ears. We will unload the car, put in a few extra things, because then we're going to be loading up the Mustang to go to North Carolina this coming Friday for NMCA's race in Rockingham. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the Wheelock family.
Thank you.